Hi, my name is Geetha. I am from Nellore. I completed my B.TECH at GEETHA Institute of Science and Technology in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I joined Jspiders in the month of September in the full stack internship program where I learned about the basics of Java, SQL, HTML, CSS and JS. I completed my aptitude training by University ma'am, and I completed my core Java training by Manjunath sir and Kaushik sir, and I was taught advanced Java by Prem sir, and I learned HTML and CSS by Rohit sir, and MySQL was taught by Gagandeep sir, and I recently completed my JavaScript course by Shiva sir, where before joining the Jspiders, because I'm from core background, I don't know much about the programming theoretical concepts. I only know some practical concepts. So I greatly improved both my theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge by joining this course. I recently got placed on a company called